if your stop line has less than 10, how to do that? Exactly that you see that. So 221, that is marked after the stock inventory is under 10. Okay, so this is the example. So I remove the function. First, press equal and then tap if, or you can double click on if function like that. Click on stock balance and smaller sign equal 10. The message that you want to show is reorder. I want to express you that the message is the text you need to write in the book vault 2 times. Okay, so I hope that you understand this example. And one more condition, you need to use if again. If, and click on the stop button and press the legit sign and write the number 10. And the message that you want to show the word is available. Finish, close the parentheses 2 times and press enter. Okay, the outcome is correct. So if the stop line is less than 10, the word show that reorder. More than 10, the message is available. Okay, video if function is done. Thank you that you lovely sharing. RGT share.